Alright, two little minor things I've noticed. First of all, when standing upright on its own legs, it does not actually have the clearance to swing all the way forward. It hits there. And the other issue is with the temperature dial. It is not very sensitive in the lower range. It actually clicks on right there. And here, turned on, go all the way up as normal. But then, yeah, it turns off, like right there. So that entire range is just useless.
So I put this on top of the can so that you could see it, and it's working and it's blowing out. Oh, nice hot air. I am so looking forward to using this in the winter to keep my bills down. So this is the top panel, and that's that. And I'm gonna put it here. The indicator light is on, and then it has a fan button there. Oh yeah, and the temperature does change. I like this. Okay, it just stopped. Okay, so there it is, and it's blowing. It's nice and hot. It's small, it's compact, and it's hot. Yeah, and yeah, I like it. And then the good thing about it too, if you have any questions, there's the QR code. You can call them 24/7. It's nice and durable. Yeah, I like this. So I anticipate staying nice and warm this winter.